Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov, and in today's video I will share with you the Opensea platform, which is the largest NFT platform by the time I'm recording this video. So if you want to explore through many NFTs, all kind of arts, domain names, virtual worlds, probably Opensea is the place where you will find what you're looking for because it has a lot of NFTs. So the first thing I'll be doing is to show you how to create your account and again how to connect to your wallet. Now Opensea accepts a few wallets, okay? Not just MetaMask, and there are as well some other options. Actually a lot of options compared to some of the other NFT platforms. And for mobile as well, you can see the Coinbase and Trust from Binance, Opera Touch, and above are all the accepted wallets by the time I'm recording this video. So now let me connect to my MetaMask account, and here it is. This is the account where I have 0.194 of Ethereum. I will click on forward and I will just click on connect. So it is connecting and I have a balance of about $53.24, and actually it was much more the previous days, but the Ethereum lost some of its value after some negative tweets from Elon Musk. But anyway, this is off topic. So now what we are going through, the marketplace. This is where you can find so many NFTs, art, you can go through domain names, you can go through virtual worlds, which is super popular, and I did another video. I will focus on virtual worlds only, but just to give you a brief idea, there are people spending thousands of dollars for virtual land. Okay, might sound unbelievable, but it is true. It is indeed very popular on the NFT market to buy virtual worlds. As well, we have trading cards, something that's been popular for many years, especially with sports cards and Pokemons and so many others that were actually physical, but now these are virtual, okay? And you can see that there are over 7.5 million results in trading cards, collectibles, and you will notice some cheap ones that sell for 0.015, and at the same time there are others that sell for 2-3 Ethereums. And sports is something quite interesting for me personally because I like sport. I teach martial arts as well. I've been playing a lot of sports. Very popular are the Z-Run horses, which you can see sell on relatively different prices. Even at the first glance, just the color of the horse is different, right? But the price is different. So if I click on the first one, you will see that this one sells for nearly 1 Ethereum. And if I go down, you will see that it's much more than the picture of the horse. There are the properties. So for example, there is the bloodline of this horse. There is the breed type, legendary, coat color, rosy brown, and you see that only 1% have this trait, which makes it kind of unique, right? The gender is cold and the genotype is Z10, whatever this means, okay? Then we have some statistics, number of races, so these horses are actually participating in races, and then we have boosts, and then we have dates, and this is the birthday of the horse. Now, something very interesting is that everything happens again on the blockchain, so there is a trading history. You can see that this horse was created from Super Kryptonut, not sure pronouncing it right, but the last one from the Boaty MC Boat Face was sold again to Super Kryptonut for 0.68 of Ethereum, right? And now they are selling it, this was just 2 days ago, okay? And now they are selling it for 0.99. Okay, so for every item, for every NFT on Opensea, you can see a very detailed history. And on the left side we have F1 delta time, so if I'll tap on that, you will see some F1 items. For example, there are shoes for 0.3, 0.4. There are the formulas as well. So let me click on that one, which sits at 2 Ethereum's 0.05. And again, we have properties, okay? Seasons, which is the theme, tier, type, we have statistics. We have as well the history, and you see that this car has a longer history. And something interesting here, the guy has decreased the price a few times, okay? Started at 9 Ethereums, 3, 2, at the moment it sits at 2.05. So one tip here, very important, is if you like an item and you notice that they are reducing the price with the time, just be patient and let them reduce the price more. Alright, so if you see the price dropping from 4 to 2 Ethereums, and this happened in a few days, right? It was listed a month ago, and a day ago the price was reduced to 2.15, and 9 hours ago it was reduced to 2.05. There is a huge possibility that the owner will reduce the price even further. And what you can do is just keep an eye on it and see if they will reduce the price in the next days and buy it for a cheaper price. Alright, so very important is don't jump immediately and buy the stuff, but if you like it, you can simply monitor if they will lower the price. Okay, so there is a lot of things right here. There are tires, there are the shoes as we saw, there are different parts of the cars as well. So it's really for the fans of Formula 1. Okay, for example, this is the front and rear wings set, and you can buy it for 0.02 of Ethereum. Okay, so it's a huge marketplace, depends on what you are interested in. If you look on the left side in the filter section, there are a lot of stuff. There are sports animations, animated NBA logos, if this might be something of your interest. So let me close the search Formula 1, and here they are. So for example, Lakers 0.005, and there are many others that are starting at 0.005. And why is that? Why they are starting at this price? You can see that there is nothing lower, because when you are creating NFTs, you pay a gas fee. And to learn more about the gas fees, make sure to go to Help Center. And something very important that I want to show you before that is if I click on Getting Started and I click on which actions require gas fees on Opensea, you will see that there are one-time fees when we are registering the account. But you see that I just registered my account and I didn't pay. This is because a gas fee is needed only for the first sale order. So if you are creating actually NFTs, which I will cover in another video, you will pay one-time gas fee. But just to give you an idea, if I click on selling in the Help Center and I go to what fees do I pay for my first listing, you will see the first time sellers who must pay 2 transaction gas fee to set up their accounts, and then sellers and buyers, the buyers pay the gas fees when purchasing fixed price items, and sellers pay the gas when accepting offers. Okay, so simply said, with every transaction, no matter you're buying, selling or creating NFTs on the Opensea platform, you need to bear in mind that you will be paying gas fees. Something quite useful is that on the left side we have the filters. So for example, if you're looking for trading cards and you're ready to buy a trading card that sits somewhere between 1 and 2 Ethereums, you can apply the filter and you will see all the NFTs. In this case, these are 8,601 trading cards that cost at the current moment, by the time recording the video, somewhere between 1 and 2 Ethereums. Alright, so Opensea is definitely a place where you can look for the NFT you want to buy. There are a lot of categories. There are as well the statistics. So right here you can see what are the stats. CryptoPunks are on the first place with a huge daily volume, and the last 7-day change is negative because the Ethereum is negative in the last 1 week. But simply said, with the stats you can see which collections are more traded. Okay, so if you're looking for more liquidity, what I mean is NFTs that you will be able to sell quicker than others, you should be looking at the stats. Okay, and for example, if I click on any of the NFTs, let's pick that one over here, you will see that it has an average price of 8 Ethereums and 40, and below you can see how many times it was sold, what was the price, how the price changed, and who were the owners. Okay, so make sure to go through the help center for more details and the blog, which is quite interesting as well. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be super happy to assist you, and I will see you right in the next video. Cheers.